Welcome to my class, dear students. Teacher's identity. A.K.M. Abdul Hamid Bhuya, Head of the Department, Department of English, Langadu Govt College, Langadu Rangamati. This is the picture and my identity here. Getting A.K.M. Abdul Hamid Bhuya, Head of the Department, Department of English, Langadu Govt College, Langadu Rangamati. So you get my introduction. Now we shall move forward. In the next slide, just it's a request to you. Give attention to the class and look at the pictures. If you get the pictures and try to understand, you can imagine from where I am speaking to you. The first picture, a very beautiful scenery you are getting before you. The next, this is another picture. The third picture, hilly area, you can understand. The green trees covered the hills. Very beautiful scenery. Now look at the water, huge water. Over the water we are getting few boats who are flying over the river, over the water, for earning their livelihood. And sunlight glimmerings here like a glass. Excellent picture indeed. Oh, how surprising. This is Kaptai Lake. Kaptai Lake. Have you heard the name Kaptai Lake? I think yes. Of course you have heard the name. Now, do you know the lake? This is my question to you. Do you know the lake? A simple, a short identification of the lake. The Kaptai Lake is situated in Rangamati district. It is known to you, I think. It is a beautiful lake indeed. You have got the pictures before you in the previous slides, and you must admit that this is a beautiful lake and with hilly areas. So we are speaking from Kaptai Lake. Now, yes, dear students, I am speaking to you from Langadu Govt College, which is situated in Rangamati. It is one of the most famous colleges in Rangamati. And you are getting the picture of Langadu Govt College, two-story building, and you are getting one side of the building, and this is the name Langadu Govt Model College in block letter. So this is the picture of the college, and it is situated in Rangamati district at Langadu Upazila, and it is a very famous college. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Take my salam. You are cordially welcome to Langadu Govt College. I personally do congratulate you all for being the students of this famous college. I do believe you will have in this institution all sorts of facilities which are required to be a brilliant student. This is our inaugural class. This is your inaugural class in this college. In such a beautiful moment, I do like to introduce myself as your teacher. I must take your class, is your English classes, so you can understand I am your English teacher. You will find me friendly always. I must show you the easiest way to acquire knowledge. I must address you as my students. This is your identity. So you have to do your part for being a good student. Actually, it is a united mission. Your cooperation is greatly required for this mission. hoping a better future for you, I like to end this class. However, that was the a short address before you. Now, to end the class, I like to have a homework. I like to give you a homework, and this is write a paragraph on your college. You have come a new environment. You have come to a new environment. The college campus. You get the picture of the college. You have gathered here a good meeting today. You are getting new friends here, new faces almost. Of course they are, and you are getting new teachers before you. So on the basis of this experience of your college, you just try to write five or six sentences in the next class. This is your homework. So see you in the next class. Be happy and follow the upcoming classes with deep attention. Actually, attention is the precondition to understand something. If you go through a story, if you do not give attention to the story, you will not understand the story's theme, and you will not even get the pleasure of the story. And similarly, if you do not give attention to the class, you will not understand the class. And so, if you don't understand the class, you cannot prepare yourself and move forward as well. So this is my other request to you, to be attentive to the class, and at the same time to be regular in the class. However, that's all for this day. Thank you very much, dear students. We will meet in the next class, and thanking you, I like to take my departure. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.